In today's video, we're breaking down 5 of the best rice cookers that you can buy this year. I've made this list based on my personal opinion, research, but also taking in consideration customer reviews. If you want more information and up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in video description. Before we start the video, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified when I publish a new video. Stay with me till the end of the video to get the full specs of my best 5. So, here are 5 of the best rice cookers that you can buy today. On top of my list is this digital rice cooker from Aroma Housewares. This convenient cooker perfectly yields 4 to 20 cups of any variety of rice, with specialized functions for both white and brown rice. Once the rice has finished, it will automatically switch to keep warm, so there's no need for monitoring or stirring. The built-in steam function allows for nutrient-rich meals to be prepared above, while rice, soup, or any other meal simultaneously cooks below, allowing you to save time without sacrificing quality. This multi-cooker not only includes all of your favorite cooking options like cooking rice and grains, but also possesses the slow cook function that allows meals to simmer low and slow. With Aroma's slow cook function, your rice cooker transforms into a 4-quart slow cooker, furthering its use as a meal-making powerhouse. The programmable 15-hour delay timer is great for families on the go, delivering delicious rice ready when it's needed. And when the cooking is done, the inner cooking pot and all accessories removed for easy cleanup. For buying options and more information about this rice cooker, check the links in video description. Next, let's take a look at this rice cooker from COMFEE. The multi-use programmable rice cooker is user-friendly with digital panel and LED display, features 8 one-touch programs, automatically switches to keep warm for 12 hours, and 12-hour delay timer is designed for flexible meal planning. It is easy to clean. The stainless steel external housing is easy to wipe clean. With the non-stick coating, the cleaning of the inner pot is like a breeze. The inner pot and all of the included accessories are dishwasher safe. This rice cooker is convenient and safe to carry when taking out the inner pot. Its space-saving design is perfect for preparing small meals or tasty sides. Easy touch to cook different types of delicious rice. When cooking is completed, the rice cooker automatically enters keep warm mode. It is also excellent for stewing meat and retains nutrition while saving you time. It is perfect for healthy sides and main courses. From Instant, we have the Zest, an 8-cup one-touch rice cooker. The Instant Zest rice and grain cooker with 8-cup capacity is the perfect combination of value, convenience, and cooking ease. Smart cooking programs help you save time and ensure dishes turn out exactly as you want them to. Fine-tune and save cooking times and temperatures that suit your family's taste. In addition to the smart program presets for white and brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal, you can cook any type of rice and grain fast and perfectly, from millet, farro, and frike to polenta, barley, rice pudding, and more. Even hearty grains like spelt and wheat berries, which typically require lots of cooking time. More than just a rice cooker, the Instant Zest quickly steam veggies, fish, dumplings, tamales, cabbages, wontons, and more with ease. Bright, bold display and status indicators let you know exactly where your food is in the cooking process. Delay start and keep warm functions make sure your rice, grains, and more are ready when you are. For buying options and more information about this rice cooker, check the links in video description. This is Tiger, a 10-cup Micom rice cooker with food steamer basket. This multifunctional rice cooker allows you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously with Tiger's own CUCKOO synchronized cooking function. With minimal preparation and the press of a button, Tiger's automatic cooking logic system actively monitors cooking temperatures to create the perfect meal. Unlike other rice cookers, Tiger's cooking plate is specially designed so the flavors from the cooking plate do not affect the flavor or texture of the rice. This rice cooker has 4 cooking menu settings: synchrony cooking, plain rice, brown rice, and slow cooking. Looking for fluffy, delicious rice? Enjoy the plain menu setting and see the difference. Brown rice function was specially designed for longer water absorption that gives you the best cooking results. To put it simply, it is more than just a rice cooker. Slow cook your favorite recipes in the ultimate multifunctional rice cooker. For buying options and more information about this rice cooker, check the links in video description. This is CUCKOO, a rice cooker with 11 menu options. Preparing delicious rice doesn't have to be complicated. Enjoy a hands-off cooking experience as the smart cooking technology will automatically detect food weight, regulate temperature, and adjust cooking time for that perfectly cooked dish. The 6-cup rice cooker is the ideal size to feed your hungry family of 4. Its compact size provides the perfect fit for your kitchen counter without taking up too much precious space. The inner pot features a non-stick coating designed to help you easily clean the interior after each use. The non-toxic coating allows you to enjoy your food without any harmful chemicals. Easily cycle through the different menu options and functions with the bright LCD display screen. Take control of the rice cooking process, as my mode allows you to choose between the 16 unique rice flavors and textures. For buying options and more information about this rice cooker, check the links in video description.